Are you ready to make a smart move with Apple stock? Welcome to this in-depth analysis of Apple. Our initial report was released on our website on Wednesday, September 27, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive breakdown. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest insights. Missing out on key updates could have a significant impact on your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our revolutionary AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Unleash the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please bear in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Brace yourselves, because we have some interesting news about Apple. Our system has recently ranked Apple as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.31. But what does this mean for the stock's performance? Let's dive into the numbers. Brace yourself for this. The stock experienced a loss of -6.82% during the mentioned period. That's an average loss of -0.43% per day since Apple was listed as a sell candidate. Brace yourself for some exciting market insights. We're about to dive into the stock's current trend and what it means for potential returns. Hold on tight as we analyze the short-term trend. It's clear that the stock is currently in the midst of a wide and falling trend. And guess what? There are signals indicating that the fall may continue. But wait, there's more. Let's now take a look at the 3-month trend. Brace yourself for a potential -9.92% change over the next 3 months. That's not all, folks. The possible return ranges from -12.81% to -2.47%. It's definitely a roller coaster ride you don't want to miss. Buckle up for the long haul as we explore the 12-month trend. Get ready for a whopping 38.62% change over the next year. The potential return is even more jaw-dropping, ranging from 35.64% to 67.43%. This means the stock could reach a price range of $231.17 to $285.35. Incredible, isn't it? Breaking news. Let's talk about the latest update on Apple's stock. Brace yourself, because on Wednesday, things didn't go well for Apple. The stock experienced a red day, with a decrease of 0.89%. That's right, the price dropped from $171.96 to $170.43. But that's not all. During the trading day, the stock had quite the roller coaster ride, fluctuating 2.36% between a low of $169.05 and a high of $173.04. It's been quite a volatile period, resulting in a loss of 2.17% over the last 2 weeks. And here's a concerning sign: volume increased by 3 million shares, but on falling prices. This might be an early warning, indicating an increased risk in the coming days. A staggering 64 million shares were bought and sold, with a total value of approximately $10.90 billion. Let's take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Apple's stock reached a whopping $198.22, while the lowest dipped to $124.17. Currently, the stock is trading 14.02% below its 52-week high, which is equivalent to $27.79. Furthermore, it's also 25.34% below the all-time high, which was recorded on August 30, 2018, at $228.26. Get ready for the latest analyst ratings on Apple Incorporated. In a recent report on Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Goldman Sachs upgraded Apple with a buy grade and advised to hold your position. But that's not all. Just a week prior, on Tuesday, September 12, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities gave Apple a neutral grade and recommended to hold on to your shares. And it doesn't stop there. On the same day, Wedbush came in with an outperform grade for Apple, while suggesting a hold strategy. Let's rewind a bit. On Friday, September 8, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave Apple an overweight grade with a hold action. And going further back, on Friday, August 4, 2023, Barclays rated Apple as equal weight and recommended to hold on to your investment. Exciting news for Apple investors. Analysts are overwhelmingly recommending a strong buy for Apple stock. They are confidently rating the P/E ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as another strong buy. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a more cautious outlook, giving the stock a rating of neutral. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to take a closer look at Apple and its current market signals. Unfortunately, the technical analysis doesn't paint a rosy picture for Apple right now. Both short and long-term moving averages are signaling a sell for the stock, indicating a negative forecast. To add to the bearish sentiment, the relationship between these two signals also suggests a general sell trend, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. However, it's not all doom and gloom. We can identify a couple of key price levels that could serve as resistance for any upward corrections. Keep an eye on the lines at $174.54 and $178.37. If Apple manages to break above these levels, it could trigger some buy signals, offering a glimmer of hope for investors. But here's the catch. A sell signal was recently issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, September 5, 2023, resulting in a significant minus 10.16% drop in the stock. This suggests that further decline might be on the horizon until a new bottom pivot is established. Adding to the bearish sentiment, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently signaling a sell for Apple. It's crucial to pay attention to the volume, as it rose on falling prices in the previous session. This could be an early warning sign, indicating the need for closer monitoring of the stock. Hey there! Get ready to discover some fascinating signals that will catch your interest. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence. It's giving us a strong sell signal. Another intriguing signal is coming from the pivots. It gave a sell signal 17 days ago. On the other hand, Bollinger is showing a buy signal 17 days ago. Quite interesting, isn't it? Don't overlook the short-term moving average, which gave a buy signal just 4 days ago. Now, let's talk about the long-term moving average. It provided a sell signal 17 days ago. What's really captivating is the relation between the short and long moving averages. It gave a buy signal 14 days ago. Hold on tight as we dive into the 12-month chart. Brace yourself for some intriguing signals. The short moving average gave a sell signal 16 days ago. Things are getting interesting. And guess what? The long-term moving average also gave a sell signal 16 days ago. Let's not forget about the relation between the short and long moving averages. It surprisingly gave a buy signal 20 days ago. Don't miss out on more exciting signals. Visit our page at StockInvest.us to explore further. Hold on tight, because we're about to dive into the support, risk, and stop-loss analysis for Apple. Brace yourself, because things are looking a bit shaky for Apple. There's no safety net of accumulated volume below today's level, which means the stock could potentially take a nosedive in the next few days. We're talking serious turbulence here, folks. Now, let's talk risk. With average daily movements and a decent trading volume, the risk is in the medium range. But here's the kicker. In the last day alone, the stock had a whopping $3.99 difference between its highest and lowest points, equivalent to a 2.36% change. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Over the past week, the stock has seen a daily average volatility of 1.82%. Welcome to an exciting discussion on Apple's trading levels. But before we jump into that, let's explore some essential fundamental data that you need to know. Let's start with the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the P/E ratio. This is a critical measure that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. The P/E ratio we see here is quite normal and often seen in companies with a long track record of success or steady revenues. Now, let's move on to some exciting news. The next earnings report for Q3 2023 is just around the corner, expected on October 25, 2023. Analysts are anticipating earnings of $1.38. These numbers have the potential to significantly impact Apple's stock prices, so keep a close eye on them. Hey there! Get ready for some exciting insights into potential day trading levels for Apple. In an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level at $177.56. If you're not already in, wait for this level to be breached before making your move. And if you're already holding the stock, this could be a golden opportunity for swing trading. But hold on, there's a catch. There's no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could drop sharply in certain conditions. So, tread carefully and place your bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. Hey there! Are you curious about Apple's performance? Well, let me tell you, the combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is a strong buy. But wait, there's more. Let's dig into some recent insider trades. On August 8, 2023, Adams Catherine L. conducted an insider sell of 5,600 shares of common stock. And on August 5, 2023, O'Brien Deirdre made an insider buy of 31,896 shares of common stock. But guess what? O'Brien Deirdre also conducted insider sells on the same day, selling 16,477 shares of common stock. And hold on, there's more insider selling. On August 7, 2023, O'Brien Deirdre sold 15,419 shares of common stock. But that's not all. O'Brien Deirdre also sold 31,896 shares of restricted stock unit on August 5, 2023. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -31.318. It's important to note that insiders have purchased 1,482,933 shares and sold 2,854,059 shares in the last 100 trades. Hey there, folks! I've got some intriguing news about this stock. Brace yourselves, because we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and guess what? No stop loss has been set. Are you wondering if Apple stock is a good buy? Well, let's take a closer look. Currently, Apple holds several negative signals and is in a wide and falling trend. This suggests that it may not perform strongly in the next couple of days or weeks. However, there is an interesting twist. Our systems have analyzed the volatility and movements of the stock for the last trading day, and they find that the current price is undervalued. So, what can we expect for trading on Thursday, September 28th? We anticipate that Apple will open up $0.410 and start trading at $170.84. Attention trading enthusiasts! Before you dive into the exciting world of trading, let's talk about some important points. Trading can be risky, and it's crucial to be well informed. That's why we recommend consulting a financial advisor to guide you through the process. Remember, StockInvest.us is here to provide information, but the final decision rests with you. By utilizing our resources, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your investment choices. Let's proceed with caution and make informed moves. Welcome, viewers. Get ready to dive into our fascinating analysis of the current stock market. We want to hear from you, so don't forget to drop a comment and share your valuable thoughts. What's your personal target for this stock? Brace yourself for an exciting journey filled with trading success and a day as beautiful as your profit margins. Join us, Stock Invest, as we navigate the uncertain waters of the market.